Hey guys, today we're going to make this Twine Air Orb. Here's what you need. You need some glue, water, a mixing tool, a balloon, and of course, some twine. Let's get started. And you want to have equal portions of glue and water. So we're going to pour it in. Here we go. Just pouring it. Oh, look at all that. There we go. And I'm going to make quite a few of these guys. So, all right. That seems good enough. We're going to put that to the side. Then we're going to take our water and do equal portions. So you just kind of fill it out for yourself. And then, you're getting dirty anyways. Take your finger, go ahead and mix it. Or you can mix it with a piece of wood or a popsicle stick or something like that. So, but I don't mind getting dirty. All right. When you have all that mixed up at a good consistency, and you're going to blow a balloon to the size that you want your orb. Now, here's a little trick. If you squish the balloon, you can make it rounder. Okay, it's to where I want it. Then I'm going to knot the balloon. Yeah. We're going to take some yarn. Okay, any color yarn that you want. Yarn or twine. This is actually black twine. So we're going to take this twine and we're going to stick it in here. And you're just going to keep on feeding, but enough to where it's not going to get knotted up. So this is the fun part. Go ahead and mix that string. And then you got this nice gluey yarn. Okay. And then you're going to take your balloon and you're just going to start wrapping it up. The crafting possibilities for this air orb are endless. Check this out. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and hit that like and subscribe button.